bing, bop, and boop. All right, so I need to go grab a few things. We're gonna run some errands, and on top of that, I'm gonna bring you guys for just a POV, little bit of daily driving with the car. It hasn't been started in a while, and I need gas, so I don't know why I keep saying low tire pressure. I know it's cold, but because it won't pop up right now. But it says it's this one. I don't know if we have something in it or not. And I also need to wash it. As you can tell, it is very dirty from a little bit of the salt that we've had, and then yeah, just the overall soot from my exhaust. And then, you know, obviously the roads are kind of dirty, so we're gonna go give this thing not really a proper bath, but just get it clean. I'm tired of looking at it all dirty. And then I park right under a power line, and the birds kind of have a heyday with it. But let's go. Let's go get gas first. Oh, I think the new S650s are only nice if they have a wing on the back. If they have no wing like that, I'm not too much of a fan of it. But let's get her washed up. All right. This side because it's dried, or it is on its way to drying faster than the other side. Paid for extra time, so I'm gonna get extra time. It's all clean. It actually looks nice. All right. Let's head back to the house. I haven't been on this road in a minute. Usually I'll come down at nighttime. Metro is definitely prone to have deer run out too. Into a little bit of traffic with a school bus. I gotta be Heave. Where's Christian? It's crazy. I'm not tuned for it to do that. I'd say that was pretty successful of a trip. Successful time. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed coming along with me on that little POV, stay tuned for more, because not only will we have merch, like I just said, there's gonna be some fun content coming your way. So remember, keep it rowdy, stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.